All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, GPU mining, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Litecoin. Today, we're going to be talking about AMP Coin, AMP Token. Are you amped up about the AMP token? You should be. There's all kinds of things going on. I mean, everything that you turn around and hear now, Sheetz, convenience stores, gas stations are taking AMP. They're going to be taking the Flexa. Flexa is going to be making cryptocurrency be available. This is going to be gigantically huge. I mean, we're going to go and look at their website, and what does their website say? We're going to read it right from their words of the horse's mouth. This is going to be awesome. Do me a favor. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We bring a video to you every single day at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday through Friday. On the weekends, it could be as late as 3 o'clock. But we bring you cryptocurrency, what's going on. One of the things that we always talk about is everybody having cryptocurrency. Let's go ahead and jump over to Sheetz and AMP. All right, we're right here at Sheetz' website. It says accepting digital currency with Flexa. Sheetz becomes the first convenience store chain to accept Bitcoin. That's right. Gas stations, convenience stores is now accepting Bitcoin because of Flexa. Flexa and AMP work hand in hand. So, Sheetz partners with Flexa and NCR to bring digital currencies directly to the fuel pump for instant fraud-proof for payment. Says, Sheetz, a major mid-Atlantic restaurant and convenience chain, today announced it will be enabling digital currency payments via Flexa, a leading pure digital payment network, to provide customers with the ability to pay for itself inside in the store and fill up their cars and their RVs at the pump using digital currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin. Here we go. Now at the gas pump, you can use your Bitcoin, you can use your Ethereum, you can use your Dogecoin. Talking about AMP, how AMP's going to be collateralizing all these transactions and stuff. This is big. This is going to make this token go up, up, up. It says, above all else, our mission at Sheetz is to continually provide our customers with the ultimate one-stop shop where they can refuel their car and refresh their body. And as a result, we constantly are innovating and exploring new offerings to truly give our customers what they want. And if they want a 24/7, 365 day that includes, guess this, that includes accepting many forms of payments, we're very excited to welcome Flexa to roll out the support for, wait for it, cryptocurrency. That's right, cryptocurrency at the gas station, at the gas pump. Flexa, AMP coin, big, gigantic, going to the moon. And again, here it is for cryptocurrency. All other types of digital assets at our store, Linda Smith, Payments and Manager. Sheetz will begin accepting digital currency using Flexa Instant, scalable and carbon neutral payment technologies as select with rollout plans rolling out later. Sheetz currently operates 622 stores in Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Maryland. Sheetz customers will also have the option to link their Mr. My Sheetz Rewards loyalty account when paying for Flexa Enable app. With the interest in digital currency reaching an all-time high, say that again. With the interest in digital currency reaching an all-time high, cryptocurrency ain't going nowhere. Awesome to be on this channel because we're going to bring you all the news and information on cryptocurrency for years and years to come. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel. All our information on the channel is for educational purposes only. We definitely like doing this. We definitely like educating everybody. Basically, we're going to keep bringing you that awesome news. With the interest in digital currency reaching an all-time high, just got to read that again. Too easy to lose sight of the fact that there are real tangible benefits for merchants who accept them, not only reducing fraud and cost savings, but it's also better for a more mobile customers experience. Trevor, the co-founder of Flexa. Sheetz is one of the most forward-thinking brands in the business and understands their customers base better than anyone. Ecstatic, Flexa can help them become the first convenient and retail chain to accept digital currency directly at the pump. This seamless enables Flexa Instant fraud-proof authority. All right, we're over here at the top 10, and we're looking over here at AMP. AMP is at number 59 over here at CoinMarketCap. Well, take a look at this. I mean, AMP is down right now, 8.26% in the last 7 days. Okay, so people talk about buying the dip. Okay, it's at a solid 5%. We're at 5.1%. We're going to go ahead and click this right here, dig a little deeper into this. 5.1%. In the last 24 hours, it's actually up 2.34%. Okay, so if you take a look at AMP here, I mean, it's got its ups and downs and stuff, but this thing has been as high as 12 cents. We're going to be talking about some price predictions here in a second. The AMP price is at 5 cents with a 24-hour trading value. We're updated our AMP to update real time. AMP is up 2.33% in the last 24 hours. So it is up in the last 24 hours. If you'd like to know more to buy AMP, the top exchanges for buying AMP. Coinbase is a good place. Don't forget, you can get your AMP on Binance. And over here, it's some price predictions. So we were just talking about this. So AMP right now is traded at 5 cents. The high that it's ever been at has been 12 cents. But going through some price predictions, Wallet Investor, based on the AMP price prediction, a long-term increase is expected. The price for 2026 is 50 cents almost, 48 cents, a 5-year. That's up 510%. But this is all factoring before Sheetz is partnering up with Flexa. This is all factoring before we're making this announcement, how all of a sudden at the gas stations of all these 500 places across all these different states could be using their Flexa to select the currency that they want and basically pay for it right there at the pump. So these predictions, I mean, they're good, but this news just came out. In my opinion, going to make it even better. Coinskid, AMP's currency price forecast for December of this year. The AMP price will be around 10 cents. Well, 10 cents, that's 2x right there. A maximum price of 12 cents. The minimum price of about 8.8 cents. Man, that's a great return too. That's about 45 or something percent for December of this year. Who's saying this? Coinskid. Here's a good one. Pick a crypto. Through the current trades, investors, and overall directions of the cryptocurrency market, we think AMP has a long-term earning potential and a good chance of visiting 30 cents to $1 in 2021 as long as it keeps going and it's a good investment. The Reddit community, AMP price will continue to appreciate by investors with a solid trading rise in the price to date, showing potential for customers reaching around almost 90 cents overall by the year. Woo! Getting over here at the top 10, Bitcoin is at number 1. It's trading at 48,000. Look at that, how it snuck up to 48,000, everybody. It's up 3.96% in the last 7 days. Ethereum's at 35.87. It's up about 1.75% in the last 7 days. It's up almost 5% in 24 hours. Cardano is actually at 248. It's up slightly in 24 hours, 3.67%. Binance Coin is at 429. It's up 3% in the last week. XRP is actually at $1.12. It's actually up 2% in the last 24 hours. Solana is actually taking a dip right here, down 17% in the last 7 days. It's trading at $158.89. Polkadot is right there at number 8. Took over the Dogecoin position. There's a little flip-flop. Doge went from 7, 8 to 9, but Polkadot is actually one of our biggest gainers right here in the last week. Polkadot's up 31% in the last 7 days, trading at $36.41. Doge is at number 9, down a little bit, 24 cents. USD coin is right there at number 10. So what do I think about all this? Well, I think that the more and more that people get the option to use their cryptocurrency, and the easier that it makes the person to be able to use it, using Flexa, using AMP, at the gas pump, AMC is going to be basically accepting cryptocurrency by the end of the year. I mean, Burger King in Brazil is basically accepting Dogecoin to get those dog purrs and stuff. So, I mean, now all of a sudden, Sheetz is going to be accepting cryptocurrency at the pump and everything, and they're talking about the app. It's going to be a more friendlier experience. This is going to be big. All these predictions are talking about that it's going to keep going up and going up. I just can't imagine how things can't, the coin can't just do what it's going to do and basically go up. I think it's going to, at least by the end of the year, get to 10 cents. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is my opinion. If you do, make sure you consult with the financial advisor. We do this show for educational purposes only. But, I mean, if you look at everything, more and more people are going to be using the app to use their cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. And again, we bring you new videos every single day at 1 o'clock right here about cryptocurrency. We're going to take this journey together over the years and stuff like that. So Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, you have an awesome day today.